Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make Mapo Tofu. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down to the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Mapo Tofu. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We're going to start out with 1 package of firm tofu, a 1/4 pound of ground pork, 1½ tablespoons of Delbajang, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 cup of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch that we're going to mix up with 1 tablespoon of water. Alright, those are all the ingredients. Let's head over to our wok and start cooking this up. Alright, before we actually start cooking anything, I just want to go over what the Delbajang is. It's a Sichuan broad bean sauce, and it's since this is Mapo Tofu is a Sichuan dish. This was included in the ingredients, and I have never heard of it before, so I went ahead and ordered it off Amazon. It is in my store. If you want to click that link down in the description box, you'll see where it is on Amazon, so if you want to buy it too. But we're going to open this up together. I've never seen this before, and I don't really know what to expect. So, oh, it comes in another package. Actually, 2 packages in here of, this is like a table sauce. They keep it in dishes on the table and people can use it to season their food in the restaurants or in their homes or whatever. Let me get some scissors to open this up. And from what I've read, this ingredient or this recipe over and over again, it's going to add not only flavor but really bright and vibrant color to this dish as well. So yeah, it smells like black beans, all right. Got my nose in there. It smells good, very fragrant, and we're going to take out what it says, about a tablespoon or 2 there for this recipe. It's already chopped. Apparently, when you get it in its raw form, you have to chop it up and everything, but this is going to blend in real nice with our recipe. So there's a close-up of that. So that's what that is. Do your own research on it as well. Delbajang, it will be in the description box. And I hope I'm saying it right. I also forgot to tell you we got to dice up our tofu, so I went ahead and did that. And I forgot to hit the record button when I was dicing it, but there it is in all its fine glory. I'm going to place this in the mise en place. Let's start cooking. Alright, as we always do, we have our mise en place all ready to go. Got our wok right there, our 2 utensils that we're going to use. We have got our oil, pork, tofu, all the seasonings, the thickening agent, and we are ready to cook. So I'm going to go ahead and put our camera back on our tripod and get it set up for our shot. Alright, there's our shot. We got our pan. Go ahead and turn on our heat on the wok. I'm going to go ahead and add our oil right into the wok. Go ahead and throw our pork right in there and let that start to cook. Now basically all you want to do is you want to just cook this pork all the way through. It'll render off a little bit of fat, but we want to keep that in there for flavor. So I'm just going to continue to do this until this pork is done. Alright, the pork is now cooked. You can use the spicy pork if you want. I am not sure how this is going to come out with the flavor with that Delbajang and all the other ingredients, so I just bought a regular pork. Also, at this point you want to either change out your utensils or sanitize the ones you use to mix up the raw sausage, because now we're going to be working with what we're actually going to be eating. So we want to make sure that those utensils are sanitized so we're not cross-contaminating. Alright, the next step we're going to do now is we're going to add our garlic. We're going to add our gochujang, not our gochujang, our Delbajang, and we're going to put in the 1.5 tablespoons. I had about 2 tablespoons there. I didn't want to add too much. But basically now we just want to stir this Delbajang in to get that heat to release the oils in the Delbajang. Let's get our garlic and our ginger in here. Perfect. We'll stir that in as well. is some fantastic, fantastic aroma coming off of this. Let that cook for about a minute, and we're going to add our soy sauce, our chicken stock, one cup is 2 of these dishes. I know that from memory. And we just want to stir all this up. Oh, that really smells good. We got a nice boil going on this. I want to turn it down just a little bit. And I got our cornstarch slurry right here. Mix that up really well. Stir this up one more time. I'm just going to pour that right into the middle where the heat is. Maybe move this back a little bit. There we go. Stir it up, let it thicken up a little bit. Oh, this is going to be really good. I can smell it. It's just, oh my gosh, it's going to be good. And the last step after you've done that, add your tofu. I'm going to go ahead and just get this heated through, and we're going to come back, plate it up, take some photos of it for social media. We're going to put that in the timeline with some groovy music. Then we're going to come back and we're going to give this dish a try. So don't go away, enjoy the music, enjoy those pictures. Beautiful, beautiful pictures, beautiful food. I'm going to give this a taste now. You can put it on rice, you can put it on fried rice. I got some udon noodles here that I put it onto just to give it a little bit of difference. And then I added a little bit of peanuts, some green onions, and red pepper flakes. But it's not in the ingredients, not in the list. A very mellow flavor, just slowly comes up with the heat factor. I would, oh yeah, it keeps coming. It gets hotter and hotter. That Delbajang does add some flavor, especially when you get little pieces of the Delbajang in your bite. This is very, very good. Very good. Very quick, very easy to make. One of my favorites is cooking something in one pot or one pan and building flavor until it's made. Thanks a lot for watching. We made Mapo Tofu. Everything you need to know is down in the description box. I've also got a bunch of groovy links you should probably check out. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment down below, tell us how we did, and then share this video with everybody that you know. Bye-bye.